Hi everyone, welcome to the FPV Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and this would be the brand new BETAFPV PAVO20 PRO 2. Now the only reason I'm making this video is to tell you that the PAVO20 PRO 2 is now available for purchase. And you're probably going, PAVO20 PRO 2? Didn't you just review the PAVO20 PRO 1 about 7 months ago? I did, and they're almost identical. So let me tell you what's different. So in the Pro 2 model, this entire frame has been upgraded to be more crash resistant. In addition, the carbon fiber frame that's up top now supports DJI 04 Lite and DJI 04 Pro on the same frame. The next upgrade is it has dual pre-tuned profiles. So you create two profiles and you can switch between them in your goggles. I haven't tried it, so I can't tell you if it's any good. And the last upgrade is it has new RGB lights, and you can change these lights to anything you want, and you can probably add a switch to turn them on and off and change them in Betaflight Configurator. I haven't tried it. I just set them up really quick because I wanted to show you this thing now exists. So here we go. Watch my mini review and then come on back to me. All right, it's getting dark out. Let's try this outdoors with these bottom lights on and see what type of effect we get. All right, here's one color pattern. Looks pretty cool. Bring it close to the camera here. Right by my head. All right, let me get a different color pattern. Here we have a different color pattern, still in red, more like a breathing pattern there. There's quite a few patterns you can have happen. So this one's pretty cool. All right. Here we have a rainbow pattern. It's going to go through all the colors of the rainbow as it's flowing here. So it's pretty bright. It's going to keep on circulating all the colors around and around. I'll see if I can get closer here. All right. Very easy to fly. Very easy to fly and hover. Here we have a strobe effect. It's going to give like a strobe light. There we go. There you go. It's only the back that's lighting up. So here, I'll put it sideways so you can see it. There you go. Only the back lights up. I think you can change it to the front if you want, but I just have it on the back. And there we go. That's about it. This is just a pulsing effect right now. You can change it any color you want, but pretty cool. All right, that's it. This is going to be a super fast outdoor flight because I've already flown the PAVO20 PRO many times. This is the Pro 2. I'm sure it's going to fly very similar, but we're going to give it a shot. I do have the Pavo with an ELRS receiver, so I'm going to use my Radiomaster TX15, which is ELRS. And of course, since it does have the DJI FPV system in it, camera system, I have to use DJI goggles. Here we go. Let's plug this in. I do have the light set up for a specific pattern. I don't know how well it's going to show out here. Let me bring this close. There we go. It's rotating red LED lights. So let's plop her down. Pretty cold out right now. It's about -6 degrees Celsius. I'll put what that is in Fahrenheit. Normally when it's cold, you'll keep your gloves on, but I have not learned how to fly with mitts or gloves on, so I got to take them off. Which means I can't fly for very long because these fingers are going to get cold. All right, let's find acro mode.
Flight mode acro.
There we are. And here we go. A little shaky on the fingers. This is my first flight of the morning. Just like the Pavo Pro previous version, it flies very fast. Very, very fast. Now, for everybody looking at my little area here, you can see, well, I have snow on the ground. Lots of it, plenty of it, because, yeah, unfortunately, we are entering our winter season soon. But for now, the snow arrived early. Let's go down here. Got a guy parking over there, driving backwards. Let's go down this road. Just seeing how it flies. Flies well. Let's go down. I don't want to overtake this car, but it looks like I'm going to have to. Oh, let's go fly beside it. There we are. Okay. I don't want to overtake him. Anyways, let's come up and we'll come back. Come back to me. I'm way back there. So this is my neighborhood in the winter. Beautiful looking, isn't it? If the sun was up, it would look even nicer. But I'll just dive down low to the ground. Come on down. You can see the snow. And like I always do, I like to take it and go behind my house. So there we are. There's my tree. Most of the leaves are falling off this big tree on the side here. And there we are. And then go over the house and then down where I am, right here. Dive down. And come back down. It flies awesome. It flies awesome. There's no issues with this. Anybody who has this is going to love it. Do some little rotations here. Come on back. If you love the Pro, you're going to love the Pro too. But as I probably said in this video, I don't know if I've mentioned already, if you have the Pro, there's not much need to get the Pro 2 unless you want a second drone. But if you don't have the Pro, then definitely get the Pro 2 because the Pavo Pro is an awesome quad. All right, let's bring her on back. I got to come and land someplace in the snow down here before it starts to snow some more. And we're going to come back. Let's see, I have a camera over here so you can see me coming in. I'll come in nice and slow. Find that arm button. Very easy to control, very easy to control. And come down nice for a nice landing, and we're off to the side. So what's my verdict? I would have to fly the Pro 1 and then immediately fly the Pro 2 to notice any difference or to pick it out. But honestly, flying it just as I did, I can't tell a difference. All I can say is it's a really good quad. Anybody who gets this quad is going to be beyond ecstatic with how well it flies. It's really good. Here we have the box the PAVO20 Pro 2 arrives in. My Pro 2 has the DJI 04 Pro camera system in it, along with the recording and transmission system, and of course the DJI long-range antennas are included. The connection port for Betaflight Configurator is on the rear of the Pavo, and a special cable and plug is provided. The battery connector is an XT30, and the recommended batteries are 3-cell 550 mAh LiPo batteries. If you don't have any, BETAFPV does sell them on their store. The flight controller remains to be the very popular F420 amp. The frame has been improved to be more crash resistant. The Pro continues to use tri-bladed props, and those props are attached to brushless motors at 7200 kV. Total weight of the drone is 108 grams. When you add the recommended battery, it's at 152 grams. Other items in the box include spare props, the new programmable RGB lights, different size antennas and wiring, one tool, DJI 04 documentation, BETAFPV product support card. Here I've placed the Pro 1 and the Pro 2 side by side. When you look at them closely, you really cannot tell a difference between the two looking at the physical properties. However, I did notice one interesting fact, and that is that DJI no longer places their logo on their transmission systems. Alright, you're back to me. I said this video was going to be short because I only wanted to introduce this quad to you, just to let you know that it is available for purchase. As mentioned in my video, if you already have the Pro 1, well, I don't see any reason to upgrade to the Pro 2. But if you don't have the Pro 1, then definitely get the Pro 2. So I'm placing links below this video to where you can find this product. If you're watching this video around the Black Friday or Christmas period, everything might be on sale, so you might be able to get a lot of BETAFPV products at a really huge discounted price, because BETAFPV did give me a Black Friday discount code, which is incredible, and I've placed that below, so go check it out. See what you want to buy off the BETAFPV website. And if you have questions on this product, post your questions below and I'll get back to you. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in a future video with many more cool products. Until then, I say bye.